welcome back to my channel. It's Nita here from Next with Nita, and today I'm going to be doing a little spring makeup tutorial. This has pretty much been my go-to the last couple of months, and I figured I'd just share it. It's really quick and easy, and today marks the first day of the Sephora sale, so figured why not publish it today, and maybe you guys can shop some stuff on sale. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going in with a new favorite of mine. This is the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint SPF 40. Highly recommend grabbing this during the sale. I love that this has SPF in it. It's really just a serum, a foundation, and SPF in one, and it's beautiful. It does oxidize a bit, so like what you see right now won't be the actual shade. It'll get maybe 1 or 2 shades darker. For me, it's kind of like 1 shade darker. And you can really see how dewy this is. So if you have dry skin, oh, this is just so good. Gorgeous. Now I have that really dewy look. I love this serum slash foundation for that. If you do have oily skin, I've talked about this in my first impressions video, but I would go in with a like mattifying SPF and then mattifying powder over it. But I love a good dewy look, especially for spring and summer. Now for concealer, I always recommend getting the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, especially during the Sephora sale, and this is what I stock up on. I'm trying this TikTok trend of putting your concealer here and here rather than the whole thing, and to be honest, I'm kind of loving it. Just gonna go in with this same dual-ended brush, which I think you can grab from the sale. I'm gonna pat that in. I think the point of it is so you just don't have excess concealer down here, and you really focus in on the areas that are dark and areas in which you can lift your skin. I've been using this Laura Mercier, it's a bit of a mess over here, but I've been using this Laura Mercier Secret Under Eye Powder. I think it's called Secret Brightening Under Eye Powder. Gosh, for 6 years. Ever since I've been doing makeup, to be honest. Just, it's been one of my go-to products. It seals your concealer so well. It's not going anywhere. Bronze me up. This is an OG favorite from NARS. I like to squeeze this brush, and I feel like you guys know the drill, but do the 3. No need to overcomplicate putting your bronzer on. Just go in with 3. We're just gonna take that same bronzer and just bring it down my nose real quick, just to define my nose, make it look smaller, and then bridge the gap for sure. I like to do it here, kind of right here. Don't mind my hair, it's a little bit of a hot mess here. Let's go ahead and get into some blush. This is from NARS. Let me shake it up. This is Torrid. It's a liquid blush. Oh, so good. All you have to do is take it and apply it right on your cheekbone like that, super high. And then I'm going in with this Artiste brush. I put too much. I put too much. Hold on, let's dab on this side. Let's take some. Blend, girl. Blend this way too. Oh, it's not so bad. It's not so bad. You can fix anything. We can fix anything around here. My finger itches. I think something bit my finger. My finger. Charlie bit my finger. Tough crowd, tough crowd. We're going in with, I feel like this is gonna explode on me any minute now. I'm gonna go in light. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. It's like pulsing. Do you see that pulsing? Going in with this really pretty highlight from Charlotte Tilbury all the way up. Oh, look how pretty. I can't get over it. And then I'm actually just gonna go in with my finger and blend, blend, blend. This gives you the most gorgeous glow. I'm just gonna add a little bit to my nose. Whee! Let's do some eyes real quick. This is a beautiful palette from Charlotte Tilbury. I'll link it down below, but it's really easy to travel with. I took it with me to San Antonio. I'm gonna take the deepest brown and just go in right in the crease. Outer V, you guys know the drill. Then just the light brown over here, and we're gonna take that above the crease. Windshield wiper motions just to create some definition here. Kind of bridge the gap between like the super dark shade and like no shade at all. And then a little trick of mine that I like to do for the lid color, I'll just go in with the spray and spray my flat brush that I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna go in with that sparkly kind of gold shimmer. I might even mix these two. But now that the brush is wet, it gives you like a really pretty foily look. Take that right on the lid. Look how pretty, it just shines so nice. It makes such a difference if your brush is wet. Now we're just gonna blend all of that together nicely so it's seamless, there's no harsh lines. And that is my eyes. Oh no, just kidding. I'm gonna go in with this dark brown and roll it underneath my eyes right here just to kind of tie everything together. This is from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. And I really like the hold on this one. I'm gonna get rid of some of the shininess on my forehead. So I'm gonna take this Charlotte Tilbury powder. You can literally see where I put the powder. It's crazy. This stuff is good. And I'm just gonna get rid of the shine. I don't really want it here. You know? I'm good without it there. And I'm just gonna get rid of it right here. And right here. I used to think concealer was my go-to product, but lately I can't live without putting mascara on. I feel like it wakes up my eyes up so much. So what I like to do is go in with this Lancome primer, which makes the world of a difference for your lashes. Trust. And I'll go in and coat it to where it's white. It helps if you blink into it. Wait 30 seconds or so, and then once it's tacky, you're gonna go in with your mascara. This has been my go-to lately, actually for maybe 4 or 5 months now, but this is the Lancome Lash Idol, and it's crucial to blink into your mascara. I'm telling you, you'll really get in the roots at that point. And this is buildable, which I love. I like to go on top as well to make sure there's no leftover white residue. This is from Patrick Ta, and it's a beautiful nude. It's a liquid lip. She's Unapologetic. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with this lip gloss from Buxom. It's White Russian, and it goes so nicely with this lip. Gorgeous, I love it. Just a little bit of a spray. Your girl is ready. Let me just quickly undo my hair. Alrighty, and this is the final look. I hope this was fun and helpful, especially since we are diving right deep into the Sephora sale. I wanted to actually apply some of the products, put it on my skin, show you guys how it looks. I love this whole look. It's such a pretty kind of dewy look for spring. You can wear it into summer. If you have any questions for me though, please leave it down below. That is all I have for today. I hope you guys have a great weekend ahead, and we will chat soon. Bye.